The 2024 Viloran will be released in August. There have been upgrades with interior side sliding doors. As an annual facelift model, the exterior design of the 2024 Volkswagen Viloran basically continues the design style of the 2023 model. The air intake grille on the front of the Volkswagen Viloran is not only larger in size, but also the ornamentation of multiple chrome-plated plating strengthens the visual impact of the new car. The headlights on both sides are also flush with the air intake grille. They are perfectly connected to each other. In addition, the side of the new car also adopts a side sliding door design, and a chrome-plated trim is passed through the center of the taillight at the rear of the car, creating an all-over design style and appearance. However, it can appeal to consumers' preferences. In terms of interior volume, the length, width and height of the new car are 5,346 by 1,976 by 1,781 mm, and the wheelbase is 3,180 mm, which is consistent with the current model, has no problems meeting daily needs. The biggest highlight of the car is the tuning of the interior, possibly innovations in materials and craftsmanship, for example the floating central control display and small electronic gear lever, as well as the multifunction steering wheel and LCD instrument panel. The configuration will receive a new upgrade. In terms of power system, 2024 Viloran continues to provide high and low power optional 2.0T turbocharged engines. Among them, 2.0T low-power engine's maximum output is 137 kilowatts and peak torque is 137 kilowatts and 320 Nm. 2.0T high-power engine's maximum output is 137 kilowatts and 320 Nm. Its maximum power is 162 kilowatts and its peak torque is 350 Nm. The transmission system is compatible with a 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission.